Hey loves, it's Cody here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your men's clothes. Like, if you've been looking at your guys' clothes and be wondering, oh, what can you make it into, babe? I am here to show you how to turn your men's clothes into your dream clothes. So yeah, stick with me. Today we're going to be doing a bell sleeve top with tie straps, and I love the way this turned out. It was so gorgeous, and it's something you can just slay for the summer. It looks so good and fantabulous. So if you want to know how I make it, please stay tuned. First up, after laying my fabric, I'm just creating a line joining the two underarms together, and then we are going to be cutting that out. You just need to take your time, make sure everything is straight, and just cut it away. So guys, if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. Thank you. After cutting that off, we need to save that bit. So right now I'm just going to be hemming the sleeves. I'm going to be folding it twice and hemming that with the sewing machine. Fold it once and then fold it the second time. I prefer pinning that in place before I go to sewing machine so as to make it more comfortable for me. Now we're going to be taking the fabric left behind, and I'm going to be cutting on the arms. We're going to be making the straps right now, so I'm just going to be opening up all those ends because we don't want any bulky piece in our fabric. After cutting that out, we just snip out those big cuff bits. So I'm just going in and measuring the length of how much fabric I can get from this sleeve, any length, but for the width I am getting an 8 inches because I want to get 4 straps from these particular sleeves, and each of them is going to be 2 straps, 2 inches, sorry. You can do it longer if you want, if you have fabric, or you can do it shorter, girl. It's your DIY, everything goes. It's how you want it, it's how you feel best in it. Anything works for you. So I'm just placing that on to get the exact same fit because no one wants to be cutting like I don't have that kind of strength to be measuring and cutting again. Just place it on top and trace it. So here are my 8 strips. I'm going to be joining them in 2s, totally giving me 4 straps because I want the length to be like so long, so I'm going to be joining them and it's going to be giving me 4 straps. After joining that and folding it, after sewing, this is what it should be looking like. 2 straps for the front and 2 for the back. So now I'm just taking an elastic and just wrapping it around my chest area. You're going to make it, make sure it fits but not tight. Be able to move around, and then using that, I take that piece and join it together using a zigzag stitch. Now I'm just measuring my elastic in half, folding it, mark the half point, folding it once again, marking the half point, giving me 4 points. I'm just now measuring 1.5 inches. Measuring 1.5 inches is going to form my ruffles. After doing this, I'm just doing exactly what I did to the elastic, measuring the half point, turning it, measuring the half points as well. This is going to give me an even gather when I put my elastic. After that, I'm just going to be wrapping my elastic, joining the points with a pin. This helps in an even gather while sewing. It helps like when your elastic don't become too gathered at one point and slack at the other. So this just makes everything, it's like a lifesaver. Yeah, I learned this trick from Fashion Wizardry. Is so lovely. And then I'm going to take that to the sewing machine and join that using a zigzag stitch. I love DIYing clothes. It's so much fun. You can just literally create anything for yourself. Like the prices they put on, these high-end clothes, they're like crazy. They're like super crazy. You can make them yourself at the comfort of your homes. Like seriously, it's just fun making your own clothes. It's so lovely for me. So as you can see, I'm just drawing the elastic. It's going to help in the gather. You draw and sew. Once we're done with that, you just put on your top, mark out where your hand straps are meant to be, and attach that, and that is literally it. From this literally boring top, something romance, sexy, and just something good for the summer. I love how this look is. I love how it's so chic and bold, and it's just so good for my taste. So I hope you try that out. If you do, please don't forget to tag me on it, and I'll see you in my next video. Also check out some of my other videos, and that's all. Love you.